Embraer, the Brazilian aerospace company, has announced its intention to develop a long-term industrial partnership with Lithuania following the country's recent decision to acquire the C-390 Millennium military transport aircraft. The move aims to strengthen Embraer's footprint across Europe and deepen cooperation in aerospace and defense technologies. A delegation of Embraer experts has recently visited Lithuania to meet with local industrial players and tour multiple facilities. Areas of focus for collaboration include maintenance, repair and overhaul, MRO, engineering, innovation, technological development, and supply chain management. We have met with several Lithuanian industrial organizations and have observed their expertise and capabilities, said Bosco da Costa Jr., President and CEO of Embraer Defense and Security. We will contribute to Lithuania's defense capabilities with the C-390 Millennium aircraft and also support the country's industrial and technological development. Lithuania's selection of the C-390 Millennium in June 2025 brings it into alignment with several European and NATO partners such as Portugal, Slovakia, Hungary, the Netherlands, Austria, Czech Republic, and Sweden. The aircraft's ability to operate in challenging environments, combined with its high payload, speed, and mission flexibility, makes it a strategic asset for the Lithuanian Air Force. Since its operational entry in 2019, the C-390 Millennium has demonstrated a mission capability rate of 93% and completion rates exceeding 99%. It supports a wide range of missions including troop and cargo transport, medical evacuation, firefighting, search and rescue, humanitarian aid, and aerial refueling. More than 40% of the C-390 supply chain is sourced from Europe, underscoring Embraer's commitment to the region. The company has established key industrial cooperation projects in countries including Portugal, the Netherlands, Austria, the Czech Republic, and Sweden. Embraer Defense Europe, headquartered in Lisbon, is central to the company's collaborative efforts within the EU and NATO, including the development of C-390 training centers and strategic links with European defense institutions. Discussions with Lithuania are also aligned with national objectives to enhance defense readiness and foster industrial and technological innovation.